Hi everyone, my name is Pamela Marks and I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. Normally when I do these type of videos, I have a script in front of me. This time I just wanted to go by my heart because this is very, very important to me. I've been a loan signing system student since October last year. Finished my course, got my certification, and procrastinated. My printer didn't work. This wasn't happening. And so I just wasn't getting out there. The truth was, triggers inside of me were holding me back. And I've never been afraid of anything in my entire life. I've always been known as going out with blind faith. And so I wasn't familiar with being afraid to start something or jump in. Yesterday, I took a mentorship class from Mark, and he gave the 8 tips for entrepreneurs. And I'll tell you what, each one of them convicted me so much that I am just on fire, emotionally on fire. This is not sad emotion. This is such joy and so empowered from what he said yesterday. And then I went to a meetup today with Irene Rueda. She's our ambassador here in Arizona, and just another shot of just encouragement and how to do things. I feel so ready now to get out there and do the loan signings. Mark is such a compassionate, encouraging, loving, and serving guy. I can't lift him up enough, and this is not to make his head bigger because I don't think it could be. He's so humble, but he is so real, and his system gets you there. It has everything that you will need to be the best loan signing agent that you could ever be. I listened yesterday, and the 8 tips were understanding the value of time. And that was just so important because once that time is gone, you do not get it back. Second was every entrepreneur has to have an abundance mindset, not a scarcity mindset. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It's just so important to know yourself. And then 3, grateful for everything. Be grateful. Tell people thank you. Tell everybody thank you. Tell God thank you for everything you've blessed me with. And then number 4 really got me. Have clarity about your goals. It hit me because I never really have. I still have a fog, but I'm working on it. Mark's got me going. So I'm just going to get that, and I know that I need to ask the questions to myself. Go back and listen to that tape. Listen to that recording of yesterday's mentorship. Number 6, have high emotional intelligence. Well, I'm working on that too. I am doing so much better since I've been in loan signing systems, in my emotions, controlling them. Obviously right now it doesn't show that, but I'm passionate. 7, embrace failure. I've been so afraid of failing, that's why I haven't gone out. That's the problem. Now I want to use those failures as the stepping stones to the success that I am going to have. Number 8, never stop learning. With Mark's class, with loan signing systems, they continually upgrade everything, new stuff all the time, and you have access to that. If you're a member, you have access to everything he offers. I love the loan signing system. I'm so grateful that I found him that day. And I know you will be too. Sign up now. Thanks so much.